it's Kate with WTI, and yes, this is probably one of the cutest lights you have ever seen before.
I mean, look how adorable this little lamp is. I am obsessed with it. I have it here in this super pretty, almost like salmon pink color, and I love the fact that it is mushroom shaped. I think it is so unique and so adorable. Super easy touch on and off to use, and one of my favorite things about this lamp by WEILAILUX is the fact that it is rechargeable. So I don't have to worry about using it where there is an outlet. I can take this little light with me wherever, and then I'm able to easily recharge it. It also has a dimming feature, so depending on how much light I need, depending on where I'm using it, I'm able to easily adjust that just with a long press on the touch button. This is also waterproof, which is amazing. So if you want to use this lamp in a shower, if you want to take it poolside, you're able to. And if you want to just pick it up and move it, you're also able to do that easily because you don't have to worry about an outlet. You don't have to worry about plugging it in. So really, they thought of everything with this super cute little lamp. I think it is adorable and it also really provides a lot of light. So not only is it cute as like an accent light, but it really does its job. I am able to read by this light. I think it's so convenient, and I also think that it looks adorable whether it's on, whether it's off during the day. Really adds to the decor in my home. So just super practical, but also really, really fun with that cute mushroom design. Again, the fact that it's rechargeable, the fact that it's waterproof, the fact that I can take it with me wherever. This light is so cute, so practical, easy to use, and I am just totally in love with it.
I think you should check it out too. That's just my point of view.